So now we got a new pigtail. Looks really, really nice. See all the nice shiny spots in there. So now gotta take our old one, snip it, rewire it. I've got a brand new fuel pump to go in there, so click, take that out, put a new fuel pump on there, and should be good to go. So I'll do this step by step, one wire at a time, solder it in, heat shrink it, make sure it's good. I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done, and then we'll take the fuel pump out, put a new one in, click it, and make sure it works. So one step at a time. Alright, so step one done. Everything all soldered back up. I just got to put my heat shrink over, heat it up. But now you can see, nice plug versus, ew, yuck. So, like I said, I'll show you all the steps. Bought this from a junkyard because you can't buy them no more. So they sold it to me 20 bucks. It's worth it. Cut the wires off, solder them. Now I'm going to heat shrink and I'm going to remove the ring and get the tank swapped out. So I'll show you once I get the tank out. Then I'll show you again once it's all put back together, and we're going to test it, make sure it fires. So catch me in a bit.